In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare timelines in DaVinci Resolve 20 step by step. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to check edits, spot differences between versions, or verify what changed between two cuts without manually scanning every clip. Whether you're working on a client revision, a rough cut, or a final export, this workflow can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're inside DaVinci Resolve 20 and that your project already has at least two timelines available. To begin comparing them, you'll want to enable stacked timelines. Look up at the Timeline View Options icon and click it. From there, select the Stacked Timelines icon. This changes the way your timelines are displayed and makes it easier to work across multiple versions. Next, open a second tab. On the right side of your current timeline tab, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to open a second timeline tab. At this point, you can place the same clip or sequence into this new timeline and then make your changes. For example, you might keep one version as your original and add one more clip to create a newer version for comparison. Now that you have two timelines ready, go to the media pool and locate the first timeline you want to compare. Make sure it is the timeline that is not currently active. This is important because you need to compare the inactive version against the one you are working on right now. Once you find it, right-click the timeline in the media pool. From the right-click menu, choose Compare with Current Timeline. DaVinci Resolve will immediately analyze both timelines and open a dedicated comparison window. This window is designed to show you exactly what changed between the two versions. In the comparison view, you'll see a list of differences, such as gaps, moved clips, or deleted shots. This makes it very easy to track edits and understand what was added, removed, or shifted in the timeline. In our example, you can see that one timeline has the same clip, plus one additional clip, which is clearly shown in the comparison results. This is especially helpful when you are editing multiple revisions, checking for missing shots, or confirming whether a client's requested changes were applied correctly. Instead of scrubbing through each timeline by hand, you can use this tool to get a fast visual breakdown of the differences. And if you want to close the comparison panel, simply press Escape. That will remove the panel and bring you back to your normal editing workspace. So that's how to compare timelines in DaVinci Resolve 20. It's a simple feature, but once you know where it is, it can make version control and revision checking so much easier. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.